السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim, the math teacher. These recordings are for المجد International Schools. This video is for Grade 5, Chapter 11, Lesson 7. Convert customary units of capacity. Open your books, page number 839. Capacity. Capacity is the measure of how much a container can hold, just like length and weight. The smaller the unit you use to measure capacity, the more precise the measurement. Key concepts. You must know that these are customary units of capacity. You must keep all of them because we will use them to solve all math problems in this lesson. You will find these rules at page 839. One cup contains 8 fluid ounces. One pint contains, 2 cups. One quart contains 2 pints. 1 gallon contains, 4 quarts. This part is not important because you can get this part from the first part. The first part is very important. I will repeat it for the last time. 1 cup equal 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint equal 2 cups. 1 quart equal 2 pints. Finally, 1 gallon contains 4 quarts. Fluid ounces is the same fluid ounces. They are the same. Let's discuss example number 2 at page 840. How many quarts can be made from 7 pints? Before we start, you must know that converting from greater to smaller, we multiply. From smaller to greater, we divide. Now he wants to convert 7 pints into quarts from smaller to greater, so we divide. Okay, since 2 pints equal 1 quart, divide 7 by 2. The remainder is 1. Means there is 1 pint left over. The fraction of a quart equal 1 over 2. So 7 pints equal 3 quarts and 1 left. It means 3.5 quarts or 3.5 quarts. If you want to understand this part called long division, we took it at the first semester. 7 over 2. How many 2's at 7? If you divide 7 over 2, it's equal 3. After we divide, we multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. We cannot divide 1 over 2 because 1 is less than 2. So the final answer is 3 and the remainder is 1. Turn your page over. At page 841, complete 3 cups into fluid ounces. You know that each cup contains 8 fluid ounces. So from greater to smaller, we multiply. 3 times 8 equal 24. 4 quarts into cups. Greater to smaller, we multiply. Excellent. 4 times 2 equal 8. Now we converted from quarts to pints. There is another step. We want to convert into cups. So from pints to cups, multiply by another 2. It's equal 16 cups. Number 3, 18 pints into quarts. From smaller to greater, we divide. At 1 quart, you will find 2 pints. So divide 18 over 2 gives you 9 quarts. Number 4, 5 cups into fluid oozels. You know that each cup contains 8 fluid oozels, so 5 times 8 equals 40. 19 quarts into gallons and the quarts. Okay, 19. Converting from quarts to gallon, smaller to greater, we divide. You know that each gallon contains 4 quarts, so divide 19 over 4. 19 over 4 gives you 4, because 4 times 4 is 16, and the remainder are 3 quarts. 50 cups. 50 cups, we want to convert them into pints. Each cup contains, each pint contains 2 cups. Excellent. From smaller to greater we divide. So 50 cups over 2 gives you 25 pints. Number 7. 22 fluid oozels, we want to convert them into cups. Okay, from smaller to greater we divide. Divide over what? Excellent, we will divide over 8 because each cup contains 8 fluid oozels. 22 over 8 gives you 2 because 2 times 8 equals 16 and the remainder is 6. I think these math examples at page 841. This is a mistake at the file. Let's complete. Number 8. 2 gallons, 2 fluid oozels. From greater to smaller, we multiply. We cannot get it directly. We need to do it at many steps. Okay, 2 gallons into quarts. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now we have 8 quarts. After we have 8 quarts, we want to convert quarts to pints. Each quart contains 2, so 8 times 2 equals 16 pints. Now, pints to cups. 16 times 2 equals 32 cups. 32 cups, we want to convert them into fluid oozels. So 32 times, very good, times 8 equals 256. Now we want to convert 7 cups into pints. Excellent. Cups are smaller than pints. So converting from smaller to greater, we divide. Divide over 2. Excellent. 7 over 2 gives you 3 and 1 over 2, or 3.5. It means 3.5. Now we want to convert 19 cups into fluid oozels. Converting from greater to smaller, we multiply. Multiply by what? Ask yourself, how many fluid oozels at 1 cup? It's 8, so multiply by 8. 19 times 8 equals 152. 25 gallons into quarts. You know that each gallon contains 4 quarts. Greater to smaller, we multiply. 25 times 4 gives you 100 quarts. Now think by yourself at number 12 and 13. And also here at number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Just all you have to do, just to think. And you will use greater than or smaller than or equal. Look at this, 4 cups and 40 fluid oozels. You know that each cup contains 8 fluid oozels. Each cup contains, excellent, 8 fluid oozels. So 4 cups and 40 fluid oozels. 4 cups equal 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 8 equals 32. 32 is less than 40. So 40 is greater than 4 cups. 40 fluid oozels is greater than 4 cups. You know that greater than or smaller than, they are only one sign. It's just the greater amount we must open the sign in front of the greater amount, and the less amount will take the nib of the sign. Okay, you can read it from right to left or from left to right. You will say 40 fluid ounces greater than 4 cups, or from left to right, 4 cups less than 40 fluid ounces. Okay. Think about number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I already solved them for you, but you must think about them. And this is your homework from number 1 to number 6 at page 843, and that's it. Okay. Thank you for listening to me, and good luck.